Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how you can download HBO, the streaming app in your smart TV LG Webos. Okay, now pay attention, you need to find this app, LG Content Store, your app store in your smart TV. In this case is the color pink, maybe in your TV is color blue. Okay, open that app and find the HBO. Okay, now do you see that this is the home page in my LG Content Store, and this is the most popular apps for streaming? I can see HBO, maybe no. Okay, and here Spotify, Crunchyroll, HBO Max. Can I find it? But if you don't have this app here in the home page, you can write that name in the search bar. Okay, this. And when you find that app, you can open and download your app in your TV. Now, if you don't have this app in your screen, in your LG Content Store app, you have two options. Okay, the first option is use HDMI, this cable and duplicate your screen. Example, in my case, my PC, but you can use also your mobile or your iPad or your laptop. Okay, with this or this, whatever, connect your HDMI cable in your mobile, whatever, and duplicate your screen. Example, like this. Touch here and select your electronic. Okay, and this is my Windows screen mirror, and I can see HBO here. And the other option, most easier but not that cheaper, is use other system. Example, Roku TV or Chromecast. Connect this in your smart TV back, and with the remote control, put your streaming app like this. You can see this Roku TV has all streaming apps, and this is the best options for put HBO Max in your smart TV LG. Have a good day. Sorry for my English. I know that not is the best, but I want try to get more experience and learn, speak, and get more vocabulary. Have a good day. See you later.